Alright, so we are trading live Tesla today. The time is 9:35. Right now we are in Tesla right now, and as we can see, it's a very bullish position, so we're just going to enter into a trade over here. We're going to enter into a bullish trade. We might get out, we might get in, we might get out very soon. We might have some losses today, but that's okay. As we can see, the market, there's a lot of fluctuation in the market, and right now I have it simulated so you can actually see the amount of profit. However, I am on my phone using this application to trade as well, so let's just stay in the trade. We might have some losses, we might lose a few $100s, we might have some drawdowns, so it's important to have a buffer that's created in the process, so keep that in mind. Right now we are looking at Tesla, and we're just seeing where the market takes us. So all we need now is a little bit of patience, see where the day takes us. So we can see, we can switch from multiple time frames. I'm gonna go from the 1 minute to the 10 second. So you can see another good entry point would have been over here, would have been over here, which is fine. We entered in over there, but you can even go to the 5 second time frame. We entered in over here, trend change over here, but let's go back to the 1 minute. 1 minute over there, and as you can see, sort of a little bit in profit. You can either stay in, which I'm going to decide to do. Right now we have 100 shares, which is equal to one contract, one options contract, which would require probably, if I open and I put on my app, yeah. So right over here, see many scalpers get into the market. They get in, they get out whenever they feel is the right moment to get in and to get out. However, I'm going to stay in this trade. As we can see, we have a double confirmation with the indicator below. Keep in mind the indicator below is not MACD. It is not MACD. A lot of people think it's MACD. It's not MACD. It's something else. Alright, so still in this trade. I'm not gonna trade the entire day today, but just decided to record this. Today is June 28th. And as you can see, the market fluctuates. So we were up about 200, now we're down about 200 as well, and that happens sometimes. So sometimes it's a good idea to cut your losses very quickly. I know that the market fluctuates. It can be very emotionally stimulating. It can be an emotional roller coaster as you're trading and as you're investing. However, it's important to remember that you can't really. You have to develop that emotional stability, and you have to be okay with losses as well. So losing money it's okay, but keep in mind that it's not ideal to lose money. You don't want to, but it happens. So just have to know how to deal with it the right way. Keep in mind that it wouldn't be a wise idea to trade your mortgage, or to trade your rent money, or to trade your food money because you want to make more. It's always a good idea to trade when you're in a very stable position. As we can see, charts are going up. We're up about, let's see, over here, like up 1.1%, which is good. Over here, 1.0298, $200. So you can either get in, get out. Many people can choose to get out of this position right over here. I'll be satisfied with that. It's not bad for 5 minutes of work. Okay. Depending on your position side, you could have made more. So we are 200. As we can see as well, the line is going up, staying in this trade, and as you can also see, the market is continually fluctuating, going up, going down, and the price is also fluctuating. So being reliant on one stream of income isn't always the best idea, especially if it's day trading, especially if it's just investing. Now, there are many people who do that, but it would be a better idea if you had many streams. And as you can see, it's going back down. So in order to do that, let's see, like I said, I might take a small loss. I might take a loss if that's the case, because then my market might turn around and become a little bit bearish. And you can expect to lose as well. So I'm actually going to close out of this trade right over here. Right? With 200. I'm going to close out over here. So that's a quick 200 I kept in. I'm going to continue throughout the day as well. Alright, and as we can see, this is Tesla for the rest of the day. This is what we traded earlier in the morning. However, as we can see over here, the market dropped from about 10:06 a.m. and it was bearish the entire day. Keep in mind that 100 shares equal one option contract equals one options contract. So you do the math based off of what we were doing earlier this morning, and you can see that entry point would have been right around here, held on to the trade, possibly close out over here and re-enter over here with either a very small loss or break even, and as you can see, just riding it throughout the entire day. So this was Tesla for June 28th, 2022.